Free ocean drink. Bletch! That is disgusting.
Eric, why did you drink that? Why is the ocean so salty?
What happened over here?
I drank the ocean, Dad.
Ha! Was it good?
Fresh water is so much better. Why is the ocean salty, though?
Why, exactly? Okay, I know it involves rocks.
And rivers, I think. Wait, rivers? Tell me more.
It even smells salty. Weird.
Do not taste it again.
I was just checking.
Let us sit and think this through.
The ocean has a long, long story.
I am writing all the clues down.
The page is still empty, Ella.
That is why we investigate.
Whoa! Look at that wave! That tiny wave has minerals? See? It looks like plain water.
But salt is dissolved inside it.
Invisible, but definitely there.
So where did the salt come from? Was it always in the ocean?
It starts with rocks, like this one.
That boring rock? Really?
Every rock hides a secret, Eric.
So where did the salt come from? That is exactly what we will find out, starting with that boring rock. But seriously, why is it salty?
That is a great question.
Do you know the answer?
I know part of it.
Me too. Only part, though.
The whole ocean, and nobody knows.
We know some. We find the rest.
This is a mystery.
Let's write down what we know.
We know it tastes awful.
That counts. I'm writing it.
Did the salt fall from the sky?
No, Eric.
Is it from the rocks?
This rock holds a secret. See these tiny particles inside every rock?
What are particles? Tiny pieces. Really tiny.
It starts with rain.
Just normal rain?
Yes. Rain hits the rocks.
Rainwater flows over rocks.
And then what happens?
It dissolves the minerals inside.
Dissolve? What does that mean?
Like salt in your water glass.
Oh, it disappears into water. I am dissolving this rock right now. Eric, that is my water. It takes millions of years, Eric.
The rock did not dissolve.
Exactly. It needs much more time.
Millions of years is too long.
Let me show you something cool.
Those tiny sparkles, what are they?
Minerals dissolving off the rock. Right now. That is incredible.
Rain does that to rocks everywhere on Earth.
Every single day.
The Powers Streacher.
How one line?
The lowest storage again.
So the ocean is like a giant collector.
It collects all the minerals?
Rivers pour them in every day. Rocks to river. River to ocean.
And it builds up over time.
Now you have it.
Wait, but rivers are not salty.
Exactly. Why not?
Where did all that salt come from?
Look at this rock closely.
It sparkles a little.
Those sparkles are minerals.
I brought a rock sample. You planned this? Always be prepared, Eric. Watch what the water does.
The water looks cloudy.
It is picking up minerals.
Those sparkles are breaking off.
That is dissolving.
Minerals leaving the rock.
Imagine hills and rocks out there.
Like big mountains?
Yes. Rain falls on them every day.
Rain hits rock. Water flows down.
Into the river?
Exactly. The river carries minerals along.
But river water tastes fresh.
Right. So where do minerals go?
Into the ocean?
Rivers pour minerals into the ocean.
Every single day?
Every day. For billions of years.
Billions? My brain hurts now.
That is a good sign. Is it really that old?
Rocks hold minerals inside them.
Rain slowly breaks them down, like washing them away. See the difference?
The wet one lost its sparkle.
Those minerals are now in the water. So minerals travel all the way here?
From rivers.
From rocks, from rain.
But wait, why are rivers not salty?
Rivers do carry salt.
They do? But why not taste salty?
The amount is incredibly tiny.
Think of one tiny grain of salt.
Just one? So rivers are secretly salty? Just a little. You cannot taste it.
I will never trust water again.
Rivers keep moving. Salt escapes fast.
But the ocean has nowhere to go.
So salt builds up over time.
Each dot is a mineral particle.
So many dots in the ocean.
Billions of years of delivery.
Imagine billions of years of rivers.
All pouring into the ocean.
That is how the salt concentrated.
How long has this been happening? About 4 billion years? 4 billion. That is so long.
I'm trying to measure 4 billion. Your arms are not that long.
Nobody's arms are that long.
Can rivers really salt an entire ocean? Over billions of years? Absolutely.
That is the craziest thing ever.
The ocean concentrates everything it collects.
Like a collector? Exactly, a giant salt collector.
Every rock slowly releases minerals.
Even this tiny one?
Even this one, layer by layer.
Rain hits rocks. Minerals dissolve. Then rivers carry them away.
And the ocean catches every drop.
But wait, will the ocean get saltier forever?
Great question.
Something controls that. So rivers carry salt here? Every single day?
Yes. Tiny bits. Every day.
Every single day? Rivers flow into the ocean.
And they bring minerals along.
Like a slow delivery truck. I am the salt delivery river!
And I am your sandal victim. Rivers are not salty, right?
Right. I drank river water once.
Barely any minerals, but some.
One river drop? Almost nothing.
So how does it get salty?
Millions of years. It builds up. Rain falls. River forms, flows down.
And carries minerals to the ocean?
Every river, every continent, every day.
This rock once had minerals inside.
Rain dissolved them out slowly. And a river took them away? I am a mineral river! Whoosh!
You are a very silly river.
Most accurate river I have seen.
So the ocean is a giant collector.
Collecting minerals for billions of years.
That is incredible! So will it keep getting saltier?
Good question. Something keeps the balance.
Something controls the salt?
The ocean does not overflow with salt.
But how? How does it stay stable?
Nature keeps the balance somehow.
Salt comes from rivers. We know that part. But also from below the ocean. From below? How?
Underwater volcanoes.
Volcanoes under the ocean?
Real underwater volcanoes.
On the seafloor?
Deep, deep down on the seafloor. Yes.
They are called hydrothermal vents.
Hydro what?
Hot cracks in the seafloor.
Imagine glowing cracks in the deep, dark ocean.
And hot water shoots out?
Superheated water full of minerals. Vents push minerals into the water.
Like rivers, but upside down?
That is a great way to think about it.
The ocean has vents and rivers! Watch out for the wave! I knew that, totally on purpose.
So salt comes from rivers above.
And from vents below.
The ocean collects from both directions.
Can I see the minerals in there?
They are too tiny to see.
Invisible minerals. So cool.
Even this sand has minerals in it. Really? That sand? Everything on Earth has minerals.
This process started billions of years ago.
Billions? Like billions?
Billions and billions of years.
So the ocean is like a giant collector, collecting from above and below.
Salt comes from above and below.
But why doesn't the ocean get more salty? Something keeps the balance. But what? I wrote this down earlier.
What does it say?
Salt comes from above and below.
Imagine the deep ocean floor.
It is very dark down there.
Yes, and something amazing happens there.
Is it volcanic vents, Dad?
Exactly right. Good job.
I read about those last month. Salt falls in from rivers above.
And from below the seafloor?
From volcanic vents deep, deep down.
Picture glowing vents on the seafloor.
They are glowing? Superheated water shoots minerals up. That was incredible! And it is really happening right now. Under us, Right now?
The vents are miles below us.
Dad, your sandals!
The ocean says hello. Minerals travel up from the vents.
Like tiny particles floating up?
Exactly. They mix into the water. Salt comes from above and from below the seafloor.
The ocean gets it from everywhere!
Salt comes from above and below.
Right. So what is your question?
Why doesn't the ocean overflow with salt? Does the ocean just keep getting saltier?
That is a brilliant question.
Something keeps it in balance.
So salt comes from above and below. But why doesn't it keep growing?
Nature keeps the balance.
But how?
Nature has a balancing system.
A system? Like what?
3 things work together: evaporation, sea creatures, and sediment.
I am writing this down.
Good thinking, Ella.
When water evaporates, what happens?
It goes up as steam?
Yes, but the salt stays behind. Water escapes. Salt cannot.
So salt gets left behind each time?
Exactly. It concentrates.
No, not the giant waves! They are going to get us!
Sea creatures absorb salt too.
Shells! Shells are made from minerals.
Exactly right.
And the third one, sediment.
Seti what?
Layers of minerals that sink to the seafloor. Minerals slowly deposit on the seafloor,
Like snow, but underground?
like very ancient, salty snow. You literally cannot sink in it. 10 times? The salt holds you up. That is incredible!
So the ocean stays roughly stable.
Evaporation, creatures, and sediment.
3 things. Nature keeps the balance. But wait, the Dead Sea has no rivers out.
Why does it have so much more salt?
Now that is the real question.
The Dead Sea has no exit.
No rivers going out?
Water comes in, but nothing leaves. The sun evaporates the water.
But salt cannot evaporate.
Exactly. Salt stays behind.
Water leaves. Salt concentrates.
So it gets saltier and saltier?
In a closed lake, yes.
Salt in, no salt out.
Like a salt trap.
Perfect way to say it. The Dead Sea is 10 times saltier than the ocean.
10 times?
You low sea, you literally cannot sink in it.
I am floating!
Eric, that is just sand.
Close enough, buddy.
Each one more salty, because each one is more closed off.
The ocean has many exits,
Creatures, sediment, evaporation cycles,
all working together.
So the ocean is balanced?
roughly stable, yes.
Nature keeps the balance.
So the ocean absorbs its own salt? Seafloor sediment locks some in.
Like a slow deposit system. If salt stays stable, why is the Dead Sea so salty?
Okay, salt detectives!
Are we doing an experiment?
We are. Right now. 2 cups. Which is which?
What goes in them?
Fresh water and ocean water.
They look exactly the same.
But they taste very different.
We already proved that today.
That was also very brave.
It was an accident, Mom.
Rain falls. Rocks dissolve. Rivers carry minerals down. And the ocean collects it all.
And salt comes from below too.
The volcanic vents.
Exactly. From deep in the seafloor.
But the ocean absorbs salt too.
So it stays the same amount?
Nature keeps the balance. Roughly stable.
Look at those crystals! That is real salt? From the ocean?
Real salt, left when water evaporated.
That actually tastes good.
Same salt, just much smaller amount. Much better than a whole mouthful.
So the ocean is a giant collector?
A collector of billions of years.
And it is still collecting right now. Every wave carries ancient minerals. From rocks, rivers, and volcanoes.
All in one ocean? That is incredible!
One accidental sip. One big question.
And now I know the whole answer.
That is how science works, Eric.
Okay, 2 cups. Guess which one is salty?
That one.
Definitely that one. Let's test it.
That tastes terrible! Again!
You picked the ocean cup. Same mistake twice, Eric.
This cup is fresh, no salt. Why is the ocean different?
That is the whole story we learned today.
Rain dissolves minerals from rocks. Rivers carry those minerals to the sea.
Exactly right. Keep going.
It builds over billions of years. And vents add salt from below.
That is incredible, Eric. All correct.
Look at those crystals. Real ocean salt.
Is that real salt?
Water evaporated. Salt stayed.
Water evaporates, clouds form, rain falls. Rain breaks down rocks, rivers carry the minerals.
It is a cycle.
Salt comes in. Salt gets absorbed. Nature keeps the balance.
The ocean stays roughly stable.
Is the salt touching my feet right now?
Your feet are fine, Eric.
Just checking. So the ocean is like a giant collector.
Collecting minerals for billions of years.
And one sip started it all.
Hey, why is the sky so blue?
Is it connected to the ocean?
Same question. Bigger adventure.